Hey, so long time no here. This is a quick video of something that some folks might find interesting. Many won't. But I was born and bred on county tractors, and so when my dad and uncle started doing their silaging for the first time in a long time, they had in a forage wagon, and there was a bit of talk about whether or not they could keep up with a 30-odd-year-old tractor. But it proved itself really well. Dad, an old hand with a buck rake, never saw any trouble in it, and just marched right on. This thing will climb anything. So I just thought, you won't see this anymore. Not a lot of folks will ever see it. And yeah, so here's some videos, just doing a bit of dozing, taking the ramp back, and just showing it climbing. Not as much as it could do, but I couldn't get him to put the weight to the ground, which it will do. But yeah, there you go. I won't talk, there's nothing to say really. It is what it is. Like, subscribe, share, that sort of thing. Hopefully a few county nerds out there might watch this one and enjoy it. Cheers.